हमारी दृष्टि कैसी है, हमें चीज़ों को किस तरीके से हम देखते हैं, हमारे देखने का नज़रिया कैसा है, इसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि हमारी ज़िंदगी कैसी होगी। जब हमारी दृष्टि बदलती है तो हमारी सृष्टि बदलती है, ये पूरा यूनिवर्स बदलता है जब हमारा देखने का तरीका बदलता है। इसलिए in order to do not try to change the whole world, do not try to change the people, do not try to change the universe, but try to change yourself. Because when you start trying to change yourself, you will find that your surroundings start changing. Everything start changing. But the most important thing is that you need to try to change yourself, and when you change, the whole universe change. But we keep on waiting for the good days to come, but good days never come. Good days you need to create it. Good days do not come naturally, but how the good days comes? Good days, when you create, the good days comes, but it does not come in a natural manner. Generally what happen कि हम अच्छे दिन के इंतज़ार में उम्र गुजर जाती है और फिर पता चलता है कि गुजर गए जो दिन वही अच्छे दिन थे। मेरे बचपन के दिन बहुत अच्छे थे। जो लोग भी कह रहे हैं वो रिकॉर्ड कर ले, और रिकॉर्ड करके 20 साल के बाद उसी को सुने तो उन्हें तुरंत पता चलेगा उनका वर्सन चेंज हो गया, और वो कहेंगे हमारे यूथ का दिन बहुत अच्छा था। When I was young, it was a lovely day. Okay? So our notion keep on changing. Every moment our notion keep on changing. हमें समझना होगा कि हमारी ज़िंदगी में वक्त, दोस्त, परिवार, जो भी चीज़ें हमें मिलती है वो सब मुफ्त में मिलती है, मगर इनकी कीमत का तब पता चलता है जब ये खो जाती है। जब तक ये खो ना जाए तब तक हमें इसके कीमत का भी पता नहीं चलता। जब तक हमारा दांत टूट ना जाए, हमारे जीभ को पता भी नहीं चलता कि दांत था, और जैसे ही दांत टूटता है जीभ वहीं जाती है बार बार। Have you seen it? तो हमारी जिंदगी में जो कुछ भी खो जाता है हमें वही याद रहता है। हमारी जिंदगी में जो कुछ भी है हमें याद भी नहीं रहता। हमारी जिंदगी में दुख का कारण ये है कि we keep on remembering what we are missing, we never remember what we have. हम अपनी ब्लेसिंग को तो गिनते नहीं, लेकिन हमारा जो कुछ भी खो गया है या जो भी हमारे पास नहीं है उसका लंबा लिस्ट सुबह से शाम तक हम काउंट करते हैं। तो मिजरी का एक सबसे बड़ा कारण ये है that count your blessing, not your misery, and note down whatever the God has given you. And if you start noting down what God has given you, you will find you have a big list. But the mind is such a mischievous mind. Mind never counts the blessing. Mind always remind you, look, you are missing this. You have this and this problem. Mind never tells you that there are so many people, millions and millions of people do not have eyes, but you have. Mind never tells you that there are millions and millions of people in this world, they do not have 1 foot or 2 foot, but you have. Mind never tells you that many people are in the hospital bed, they are just counting their days when they are going to die, but you don't have to worry about it. Mind never tells you. But don't you think that you are the most fortunate person if you do not have all these 3 problems which I have told you? I have told you only 3 problems, but there is a list of thousands. Those thousands of problems which people are suffering nowadays, the people are suffering today itself, right now, you are not suffering. But you never tell God, God, thank you God, those thousands of problems at least you have not given. I am so fortunate. I am so fortunate. So our misery is not because the problem is, our misery is because we have enough time. Surprising, but true.